Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best baking pans. So let's get started. Number 7. Chicago Metallic Commercial 2 Nonstick. This Chicago Metallics set can't be beat for its performance, ease of use, and price. It earned perfect scores in our tests for performance, and was just shy of a perfect score for ease of use since the pans lack handles. We love the sharp corners and straight sides that produce professional-looking cakes, brownies, and bars. The only downside is that it only comes with one round cake pan. We also tested the Chicago Metallic Professional Nonstick 8-piece bakeware set, which ranked just a smidge below the featured commercial set. In terms of performance, the only difference was that the cookies took a little longer to bake than the manufacturer's instructions. Number 6. Anolon Advanced Nonstick Bakeware Set. For newbie bakers or those with small kitchens, Anolon's Advanced Nonstick Bakeware Set has the most useful assortment of pans to get started, including 2 round cake pans and a square pan for brownies. The half-sheet tray resembles a cookie sheet with shallow edges, but is still rimmed, which makes it good for roasting juicy foods. It also has a large, square-like surface area. The cooling rack is an added bonus that can be used to cool cookies, as a trivet or roasting rack. All of the pans performed well in our tests, and they scored the highest for ease of use, thanks to being dishwasher safe and easy to handle. We particularly appreciated the large silicone grips on the handles. Number 5. Calphalon Premier Countertop Safe Bakeware. Each pan in this baking pan set from Calphalon has silicone grips on the bottom, so you can place them directly from the oven on your counter. Since these grips also make the pans non-slip, keep in mind they might be a little difficult to take out of the oven. In our tests, the cookie sheet produced impressively even cookies, and we like the assortment of pans that are included in this genius set. Number 4. All-Clad Pro-Release Bakeware Set. All of the All-Clad Pro-Release pans are solid and sturdy, made of heavy-gauge aluminum. They performed very well across baking and roasting tests, but be warned that broccoli caused some staining, and the pan required some elbow grease to clean. The handles made moving the pans easy, and we like the assortment of pans, which includes 2 round cake pans, a half-sheet tray, a rectangular pan, and a square pan. The cookie sheet, rack, and quarter sheet pan are bonuses that will surely go to good use. Number 3. Wilton Texturra Performance. Wilton is known for baking, so it's no surprise that its 8-piece Texturra set performed well in our tests. The pans feature a wavy, textured pattern, which, according to the brand, allows for more airflow and even baking. One downside is the pattern imprinted the bottom of our cakes, so we recommend lining it with parchment if you'd like to avoid that. In our tests, we were impressed with the non-stick coating that caused the cookies to practically slide off the pan, in a good way. We're also fans of the handles, which made rotating and moving easy. Number 2. Anolon Eminence. During our tests, this set stood out for ease of use and would be a great addition to any baker's kitchen. Each of the pans has handles that make them easy to grab and move around, and they're super easy to clean. In addition to including the pieces we value most, 2 round cakes pans, a half-sheet tray, a rectangular pan, and a square pan, It comes with a cover for the rectangular pan, an oven rack, and 2 loaf pans for all of your baking needs, easy transportation, and then some. Number 1. Oxo Good Grips. The baking sheet trays in this set are ideal for home chefs. Included with this set are 2 handy quarter sheet trays, which offer the same quality of the half sheet tray, but are easy to clean in your sink, and can also be easily placed in the dishwasher, a half sheet pan, 2 jelly roll pans, a cookie sheet, and a pizza pan for any culinary task. The bottom of each pan is textured to increase airflow for even cooking, and in our tests, cookies baked perfectly on the half sheet tray, and although the pan was a little hard to clean by hand, it produced good crispy veggies.